Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the device unlocked and settings open. Start now. First, confirm your phone model and OS, Android or iPhone, so you follow the right menu. Once done, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal so the phone won't reload menus slowly. This speeds the process. Then navigate to Settings, tap Network and Internet or Connections depending on your OS. This is where Data Saver lives, and we'll toggle it off in the next step. Now you'll find Data Saver in Network or Mobile Data sections. Tap it. You should see a master toggle. Switch it off. This restores background data and allows apps to refresh automatically. If an app still won't update, go into App Settings and permit background data or remove background restrictions. Some Android builds have adaptive battery or background limits that override this. Make sure to exit Settings. Apps may resume syncing immediately, and that confirms the saver is disabled. Finish by restarting the device. This ensures system services pick up the change. If you still see restricted data, check for a system-level limit, reset network settings, disable any VPN, and look in cellular or mobile data for per SIM limits. If problems persist, verify carrier settings and your plan's data cap. Sometimes operators enforce throttling. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.